of course. No, Jared. No.
No.
I was aiming for Matt. My hand just slipped.
You're full of shit. You are full of shit.
This way. This way.
Control your anger.
This way.
Too close.
That wasn't me.
I don't get my stuff. Oh my god.
She's lying. She's lying.
What the? You're like.
Guys against this little poor girl.
Poor little
Like
girl.
right in the middle.
No, I'm keeping her from killing. I have no control over that. I'm keeping her from killing. I have no control over that. I'm not gonna run behind the table and stop her from killing him from that angle.
I already have scars from her.
I got it.
Oh, you can't.
You hit me in the neck.
This is my second.
I'm sorry.
Wait.
You go.
No, I'm 100%. I won't hit you.
Don't do that. Good job. Almost. Oh.
It wasn't the
Oh,
No, I didn't.
yes, I saw you.
You're evil.
No, a Chinese person can't be a ninja.
They have had Chinese ninjas.
Really?
What type of guard?
Oh yeah, no, they do different stuff. They don't throw ninja
I know
stuff.
they don't go to guard, but they use them. They use them to kill the but they were technically
Yeah.
Chinese ninja.
I see.
The emperors used them.
It was not supposed to hit her. I didn't do it though.
No, you didn't hit her. She missed, but she hit herself on this.
Yeah. I dodged your ninja star, but then when I dodged it, I hit this.
It was not gonna hit you. You didn't have to dodge it though.
It
was
came
about-
this close to my face. Yes.
It wasn't gonna hit you.
It was.
Don't worry.
Towards my
I'm a
face.
highly qualified Chinese ninja.
No, you're not. But seriously.
I'll get you. No, I
Right
don't.
in between the
I'll hurt
eyes.
someone.
Right in between the eyes.
No, I'll really hurt someone.
I'll get a terrible paper cut. I'd be like, that stings.
Not with this.
Did it break the skin?
Not
No.
with that.
No,
It really
no.
hurt